Hello mga idol, this is Coach Joel. Please subscribe, watch, and click the bell. Okay ma'am, squat, twist, squat, kabila, twist. Taas yung knee, taas pa, baba pa, squat. Yan, baba yung squat, taas yung knee, twist. Okay. Okay ma'am, nice one. Okay, straight yung kamay, liting straight yung kamay. Straight yung kamay ma'am, straight. Bend yung legs. Digest, twist. Straight yung kamay, digest, twist yung katawan. Yan, baba pa yung legs. Bend pa, bend. Okay. Digest, twist. Okay. Okay ma'am, squat. Yan, squat lang, upo lang, upo. Baba pa. Squat, straight yung kamay. Yan, swing lang yung kamay. Swing. Huwag nyo mabuhatin. Swing lang. Yan, squat. Next one. Sige ma'am, tuloy lang. Okay. Squat. Baba pa. Okay, nice one. Okay ma'am, go. Dalawang burpees. 1. Isa pa. 2. Okay, talon. 1. Talon sa taas. Burpees. Talon uli. Okay. Sige ma'am, go. Dalawa yan ha, dalawang burpees. Okay, talon. Open close ma'am, bilis yung paa. Okay. Okay ma'am, talon. Open close. Yan, konting bilis. Kayang-kaya ng bilisan yan. Inhale, exhale. Okay, nice one. Babalik. Balik tayo ma'am, balik. Go. Konting bilis. Okay, nice one. Sige, tuloy lang. Ma'am, next ka na. Go na ma'am, go. Okay ma'am, burpees ulit. 2. 1. 2. Okay, sige ma'am, go ka lang. Bilis. Okay, burpees. Nice one ma'am, talon. Okay. Yung lakas. Isa na lang, last na. Talon. Nice one. Pahinga. Ayun mga idol, isang set pa kami. Grabe pawis nila. Kaya ikaw, tara na, PM ka lang.